Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mazda 6 Touring Wagon, stock reference number 5044. This shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 6th month 2016. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tailgate garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent, right guard has 1 small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.